I'm Patrick. This is July 29th. Let's get started with our daily news lesson by reviewing today's news headlines. Number 1, a strike in Israeli-controlled Golan Heights on Saturday killed at least 12 children and teens. Number 2, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan said Turkey could enter Israel. Number 3, Russia said its forces had captured 2 villages in the Donetsk region of eastern Ukraine. Number 4, Russian president says his country may deploy new strike weapons in response to a U.S. plan to place missiles in Germany. And number 5, U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris's election campaign said it raised $200 million since she entered the presidential race. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to it.
A strike in Israeli-controlled Golan Heights on Saturday killed at least 12 children and teens and threatens to spark a wider war with Lebanon, AP correspondent Karen Chamas reports.
The victims in the town of Majd al-Shams were from the Druze community, a religious sect which began as an offshoot of Shia Islam. Some Druze have Israeli citizenship, yet many still have sympathy for Syria and reject Israeli annexation. Israel blamed Hezbollah for the strike, but in a rare move, Hezbollah rushed to deny any role. The strikes come on the same day Israel hit a school used by displaced Palestinians in central Gaza, killing at least 30 people, almost half of them women and children. The new strikes in Israeli-occupied territory has heightened worries that an all-out war could erupt between Israel and Hezbollah in Lebanon. I'm Karen Chamas.
Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan said on Sunday Turkey could enter Israel as it's done in the past in Libya and Nagorno-Karabakh, though he did not spell out what sort of intervention he was suggesting. Erdogan, who's been a fierce critic of Israel's offensive in Gaza, started discussing that war during a speech praising his country's defense industry. The president appeared to be referring to past actions by Turkey. In 2020, Turkey sent military personnel to Libya in support of the United Nations recognized Government of National Accord of Libya. Venezuelans turned out in their millions on Sunday to elect a president amid high tension marked by official attacks on the opposition candidate challenging incumbent Nicolas Maduro. Maduro, who had previously warned of a bloodbath if he loses, said on Sunday he would make sure the final result from the regime-aligned electoral authority is quote-unquote defended. This is VOA News. Russia said on Sunday its forces had captured 2 villages in the Donetsk region of eastern Ukraine as they pushed northwest of the regional capital. The Russian Defense Ministry said troops had taken control of neighboring villages a few kilometers apart. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky acknowledged Kyiv's forces were under pressure in the region during his evening address on Sunday. On Saturday, Russia claimed a nearby village, one of nearly a dozen it says it has captured in the Donetsk region this month. Russian President Vladimir Putin says his country may deploy new strike weapons in response to a U.S. plan to place missiles in Germany. Both the United States and Russia recently signaled a readiness to deploy intermediate-range weapons that were banned for decades under a Cold War-era treaty. VOA's Arash Arbasadi has more.
Sunday in St. Petersburg. Russian state television broadcast footage of the country's fleets at the annual Navy Day celebration. In attendance were officers from 31 other countries, including China, India, Iran, and South Africa. Showcasing the Russian Navy, missiles fired from various ships of the Black Sea Fleet, and jets dropped bombs from above. Overshadowing Russia's pomp and circumstance of the day is a recent plan revealed by the United States to deploy long-range missiles to Germany by 2026. Arash Arbasadi, VOA News.
U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris's election campaign said on Sunday it's raised $200 million and signed up 170,000 new volunteers in the week since she entered the presidential race. Reuters correspondent Zachary Goldman reports.
President Joe Biden ended his re-election bid on last week and endorsed Harris for the November 5th vote against Republican former President Donald Trump. Trump's campaign had nearly $285 million in cash on hand at the end of June, while the Democratic campaign had $240 million at the time. Polls over the last week, including one by Reuters Ipsos, showed Harris and Trump essentially tied, setting the stage for a close-fought campaign over the 100 days left until the election. Harris has secured support from a majority of delegates to the Democratic National Convention, likely ensuring she will become the party's nominee for president next month.
Reuters correspondent Zachary Goldman. The Turkish parliament on Sunday started an emotional debate on a law aiming to clamp down on millions of stray dogs opponents say could lead to a vast animal euthanasia campaign. The government estimates there are 4 million stray dogs, and the law will be debated over several days.
Thank you for watching. Can you do me a favor? Please leave a comment in the comments section below. That would really help. Thank you, and see you again soon.